Okay, let's do the catwalk. Come on, let's do the catwalk.
Gonna come out and do the catwalk with him?
Joey, flip. Hi. Woo. No, you gotta take a picture with Grandma.
I'm taking a video.
If you post it, I'll kill you.
What? I just want to tag your name.
Take a picture.
Machete. Machete? What are we talking about? Machine gun.
All right. So tell me, what color car are you going to drive when you get older?
Yellow.
Yellow. Get maybe a yellow convertible. How about a yellow convertible?
No.
No?
I don't know.
Okay, so describe your perfect car.
Yellow. Yeah.
Yellow? And how many seats?
Seats yellow. I think 5.
5? How many in the front?
2.
And then 3 in the back?
Yes.
Okay.
Of course.
Of course. Okay, are you ready to come in and see Grandma now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Open the door.
Oop.
How did it get on?
Oh, I think it locked automatically. Let's see. You just pull the handle and it'll unlock. Whoop. How do you open it? Oh, there you go. There we go. Now it's unlocked. Ta-da!
I got in the front seat.
Oh, sunglasses, honey. You're fun. Cute kid.